So I'm going to show you today how to print on different devices. So let's say you're at the counter and you just come out of the sales office and you want things to print at the counter. What you would need to do is you would need to go down to the bottom left hand corner here to where your print previews are. Right click your mouse and click Edit User Output Options. Now that will bring you to this screen here I already had loaded up, and it will give you all the options of things that you can print. Example, let's say I wanted to print a quote out at the counter printer, so I would then click this, and then I would go into it and click Edit, click the three dots here, and then go across, and let's say I wanted this one here, double click it, and then save. Now let's say your printer isn't on there. What you could do is you could go to your Windows control panel, or whatever you want to call it, click on there and type in printers and scanners, and it'll bring up this menu. And what you can always do is you can scan it and it'll add a new printer. Let's say you just set it up, it'll scan it and then you can add it later on.